Hello kids, welcome to our English class. Dear kids, today I am going to teach a new chapter, unit number 6, the elves and the shoemaker. What is meant by elves? Elves, it is a short person who has or those are having magical powers. And the shoemaker who made the shoe, who made the shoe, it's called cobbler. जो जूते बनाने वाला होता है उसे कहते हैं शू मेकर. Now let us move towards the warm up before start the lesson. We are helped by many people, animals and things every day. It's a true, is it? We are helped by many people, animals and things every day. Which people are helping to us? Your family, your friends, your neighbors, your teachers, animals and things, trees. Okay? How the family helps you? Mother gives food and clothes. Father helps with homework. Mother helps in your studies. Most of times she takes care of your health. She is feeding you, everything she is doing. Father also doing so much hard work for their children. He earn the money to their children for their good education. Okay. Now how the friends help you? Your friends helping you by giving, sharing, helping to you. He share with you. He share the food. He share the things in your class. Whatever you need during the studies time. Okay. Your neighbors are helping or playing vital role in your life. So neighbor are helping you when you are in trouble. They helps you, they guide you, they motivate you. Okay. Now the teacher, your teacher, she is the mentor. He or she is a mentor. They guides, they teach you. It is the good manner, how to behave. They never curse their student or children. They love them. They gives love to you. Like your family, like your friends. So teacher is your mentor. She teaches, he or she is teaching. Okay, they guide, they help you in your studies. Animals gives us milk. It is playing main role in our life. So animals gives milk all of us, which is getting much calcium to everyone. Next trees gives us food, fruits, shelter, shade, everything. Trees gives us wood. Okay, so many things, animals and the peoples are helping to all of us. So all of you have to write this or discuss with your friends, share your ideas with me, make a video and send to me. Okay. Dear kids, if you like this video, you have to like this video, okay, and subscribe my channel. Now let us move towards the reading. I am going to read the story about a poor shoemaker whose life changes when the magic happens. His life totally changed when the magic is happened. Let us read to find out more how the magic happened in his life. Once upon a time there lived a poor shoemaker. बहुत समय पहले की बात है कि एक जो गरीब शूमेकर, जो शू बनाने वाला था, जो जूते बनाने वाला आदमी रहता था. Though he was honest and hardworking, वो बहुत honest, बहुत ही प्रामाणिक और मेहनती था। ही नेवर मेड इनफ मनी, ही नेवर मेड इनफ मनी, उसने ज़्यादा पैसे कभी नहीं कमाए। He and his wife ran the household with great difficulty. He and his wife running the whole or ran the household chores with a great difficulty. O or O means here the shoemaker and his wife, उसकी बीवी, उसका घर बहुत ही कम खर्चे में वो चलाते थे। बहुत ही कठिन परिस्थिति में वो दोनों का गुजारा करते थे। Sometimes all they had to eat was a piece of bread. कभी कभी उनको एक पीस के टुकड़े, ब्रेड के टुकड़े पर रात गुजारनी पड़ती थी। उसी पे उनका दिन निकलता था, पूरा दिन उस पर निकालते थे। मीन्स एक ब्रेड के टुकड़े पर वो पूरा दिन निकालते थे। द शू मेकर सेव मनी, द शू मेकर सेव मनी, उसने कुछ पैसे बचा के रखे थे। एंड फाइनली हैड इनफ टू बाय अ पीस ऑफ लेदर, और उसके बाद उसने फाइनली ही इनफ बाय अ पीस ऑफ लेदर, उसने एक जूते का लेदर का टुकड़ा खरीदा। He could make only one pair of shoes with it. उस टुकड़े से जो खरीदा था उससे उसने सिर्फ एक पेयर के शूज़ बन सकते थे, एक जूते की जोड़ियाँ ही बन सकती थी। He decided to make the shoes the next day. He decided, उसने तय किया कि उस लेदर से उन्होंने उसको सुबह दूसरे दिन शू बनाने हैं, जूते बनाने हैं। सो ही प्रिपेयर द लेदर दैट नाइट, इसलिए उसने रात को उस लेदर को तैयार किया। एंड लेफ्ट इट रेडी ऑन द टेबल ऑफ हिज वर्क रूम, और उसे वैसे ही छोड़कर उसके वर्क रूम में छोड़कर चला गया, टेबल पर छोड़कर चला गया। ही स्लेप्ट हैप्पीली दैट नाइट, और वो खुशी खुशी उस रात सो गया। थिंकिंग ऑफ द पेयर्स ऑफ शूज ही वुड मेक द नेक्स्ट डे, और वो सोचता था कि उससे मैं उस लेदर से एक जूता की जोड़ी मैं बनाऊंगा। दूसरे दिन मुझे एक जूते की जोड़ी बनानी है। इन द मॉर्निंग after he had a slice of toast for breakfast, after taking breakfast, he entered his workroom. वो उसके वर्करूम में चला गया। On his work table stood a beautiful pair of fancy shoes. On his work table, उसके जो काम करने का जिस पर वो काम करता था उस टेबल पर stood a beautiful pair of fancy shoes. उसने क्या देखा? एक अच्छे से जूता है, ब्यूटीफुल मीन्स अच्छे से जूते वहाँ पे देखी। फैंसी शूज ही सॉ देयर। द शू मेकर वॉज कम्प्लीटली टेकन बैक, एंड द शू मेकर वॉज गेटिंग सरप्राइज। टेकन बैक मीन्स हियर गेटिंग सरप्राइज, वेरी सरप्राइज टू सी द शूज, पेयर ऑफ शूज ऑन द टेबल। ही रश टू कॉल हिज वाइफ, जल्दी जल्दी में उसने उसके वाइफ को बुलाया। When he told her what he had seen, she could not believe him. His wife could not believe him when he told his wife. She could not believe. Why she could not believe? She is not believing it will be happen. What? The beautiful pair of fancy shoes he has not made, his husband has not made, but they found a beautiful pair of shoes on the table. So she was getting surprised. She could not believe. So the shoemaker brought his wife to the room, and she was amazed to see the shoes. And shoemaker brought his wife. He brought his wife in his workroom and she also getting surprised. Amaze means surprise. She also getting surprised to see the shoes. The shoemaker took the shoes in his hands, admiring her the neat and tidy stitches. The shoemaker took the shoes. He took the shoes in his hand. He was admiring. Admiring means praising. Praising means स्तुति करना, प्रशंसा करना. किसकी? नीट एंड टाइडी टीचेस. जूतों की जो सिलाई थी वो बहुत ही अच्छी थी और ठीक ठाक थी, बहुत अच्छी थी, इसलिए वो उसको उसकी प्रशंसा कर रहा था. He had tears in his eyes. He had tears in his eyes means उसकी आंखें भर आई. क्यों भर आई उसकी आंखें? Why his eyes getting tears? Because he was getting surprised. Because he could not believe someone is showing the magic or showing the pure intention towards him. He thought someone is showing the pure intention towards the shoemaker, towards himself. He thanked God for his miracle and set the pair on the window shelf. He thanked God. उसने भगवान से शुक्रिया अदा किया for his miracle, उसकी जादू के लिए, and set the pair on the window shelf. और उसने वो पेयर जो जूते हैं उसने कहाँ पे रखे? विंडो शेल्फ, एक शेल्फ में रख दिए. A rich merchant was passing by the shoemaker window. When he spotted the attractive pair of shoes, he went inside and bought them, paying a handsome price. When the shoemaker put the shoes in the shelf, at that time a rich merchant who was passing from his window, shoemaker's window, he saw the shoes and he saw the attractive pair of shoes. He went inside and bought them. He bought the pair of shoes from the shoemaker and paying the handsome price, paying the good money. After such a long time, the shoemaker and his wife had a proper meal that day. After far long time, his family and means shoemaker and his wife, they could eat good meal after a long time. That evening, the shoemaker bought enough leather to make 2 pairs of shoes. And that evening, shoemaker once again bought means खरीदा. क्या खरीदा? Enough leather. बहुत जो 2 शूज़ उसमें से बना सकता है, इतना उसने लेदर खरीद किया. He cut and shaped the shoes with a great love and care. उसने उसको कट किया, अच्छे से शेप दिया, उसका शूज़ को आकार बनाकर रख दिया बड़ी प्यार से. By the end of evening, और इवनिंग के बाद, he was tired. He was getting tired. He laid everything out and left the room. उसने वैसे ही छोड़कर उस टेबल पर छोड़कर चला गया उस रूम से. He thought that he would come back the next morning to complete work. He thought, और उसने सोचा he would come back, और दूसरे दिन आएगा और वो काम पूरा करेगा. Dear kids, today now I am completing this half of the lesson. Next video I will send or complete the explanation of the lesson till up to bye. Okay, have a good day.